Can you drive without hub-centric rings? Actually, it may be cause the vehicle vibration. So if you want to install wheel spacers, your best choice is install the wheel spacers with hub-centric rings.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time.
Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And the bonus wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. The machining accuracy of bonus spacers reaches a accuracy of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it.
'Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.